deepening cooperation to achieve global affluence of all people, instead of affluence of only some. According to our experience, the only way you can guarantee prosperity sustainably is to enable all families, all persons who are old enough to participate in wealth creation by producing goods or services, either as an entrepreneur or as an employee of that. The population, all adults, participating in the production of goods and services. And here we can cooperate with the countries of the South. We can cooperate in the production of goods and services. Here in Uganda, we have experience. We have been working with some friends, like for instance from China. They have come and invested in a number of factories. I don't know whether these people have some footage in their show us. Those are some of the factories by our Chinese friends. That is an industrial park by our Chinese friends in the east of Uganda, a place called Mbale. Behind there you see the Mount Elgon.
Nice to see you.
As I said the other day, we need to address 3 areas. As the theme of our other meetings, the two meetings, now the theme. Grouping in the world. Our countries account for 6.6 billion people in the world. That's almost 80% of the people of the world. Therefore, we can do a lot. As I told you the other day, some of us have been involved in the resistance movement for more than 60 years.